Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this green seasoning. Most of you have been asking me what is green seasoning, so I decided to make a video on how I do it. I already have one, but I've updated version. So here are my parsley, my green bell peppers, some garlic, I have some ginger, some pimento seeds / pimento berries, some onion, and I have some thyme and some scallion and some scotch bonnet peppers. And over here I have some lemon. Of course you could use vinegar for your preservative, but I'll be using lemon here. And if you don't like parsley, you don't have to add it to yours. You could just leave it out and just add your green bell peppers and your onions. And of course, if you want to use other color bell peppers, you could go ahead and use that as well. Now if you don't like your food spicy, you could dial back on the scotch bonnet pepper, but if you don't mind the spice, you could add to your preferred spice tolerance. You don't have to use the same amount of peppers that I use. Just do it to your tolerance and just add everything to your food processor and keep going. It's that simple, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut my scallion into parts. I might have to start blending first and then go again to process it so we could add more because it's a little bit full. And I'm just going to go here and juice half of my lemon in, and I'll juice the other half once I'm done. So I'm just going to go ahead and start processing. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water just to keep the blades going. And you want to press it until it's nice and smooth as you liking it. Some people prefer it on the chunkier side. I like mine on the smoother side. So you want to make sure that you scrape down the sides and get everything incorporated. Here I am adding the rest of my scallion, and that's just basically it. It's that easy to make, and you can store this in your refrigerator in a airtight container, and this could last up to weeks, or if you want, you could freeze these into some mini ice cubes and store them in your refrigerator, and these could last for months. At this stage, if you like it like this is where you would stop, but I like my one a little bit smoother, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend it a little bit more, and that's basically it. This is how it's looking when it's done, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Share it and tell a friend about this video. That's it, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.